Compliance and security, two words that often get mixed up in the world of cybersecurity. But what's the difference and why does it matter for business? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about compliance. Compliance is about meeting legal and industry regulations. It ensures that the business follow rules designed to protect sensitive data. For example, if your business handles personal data in Europe, you must comply with the GDPR. Healthcare organization in the US must follow HIPAA, and any company processing credit card payment must meet PCI and DSS standards. Now, let's talk about security. Security is about actively protecting system and data from cyber threats like hackers, malwares, and data breaches. Unlike compliance, security isn't just about following rules. It's about defending against real threats. Businesses use tools like firewalls, encryption, and continuous monitoring to strengthen security. These measures go beyond compliance to keep sensitive information safe. So, is compliance enough to keep your business secured? Not always. Compliance ensures you meet the minimum requirements, but it doesn't guarantee protection against involving cyber threats. A company can be fully compliant but is still vulnerable to attacks. That's why businesses must go beyond regulation and implement strong security practices. The key takeaway in compliance is required, but security is essential to truly protect your organization. Combine both, meet regulatory requirements while continuously improving your security defense. And there you have it. We explored the world of security policies, governance framework, and compliance. Basically, everything in the organization needs to stay safe in digital age. Remember, strong security isn't just about fancy tech. It starts with smart policies, clear rules, and culture of awareness. So, whatever you're setting up your first firewall or drafting your 10th password policies, keep your goals clear, stay updated, and never stop learning.